Oh, yeah, personal space, modular options work. Hey, I'm Sebastian Clovis, and welcome back to Home Network's DIY Studio. When the temperatures rise, comfort is the priority. I'm joined by design expert Michelle Thompson, who's gonna help us stay cool.
Cool in more ways than one, Seb. And as you know, summer comfort isn't just about being outdoors. It's about creating spaces with the help of Wayfair that keep heat, airflow, and daily routine top of mind.
So where do you start when it comes to staying cool?
I think personally we have to start with some shade. So bringing in a beautiful umbrella, pergola, or other area that people can cool down and naturally gravitate towards.
It's funny, it actually did drop down a few degrees.
I know.
Just blocking that sun.
It's very effective. Create shade first and then style around it.
Cold summer drinks.
Absolutely a must, and the easiest way to make that feel effortless is to go for a cooler that actually doubles as a side table or a drink station. Look at this party trick.
Oh my goodness, I did not expect that.
How good is that?
I like how you think.
Function that moves with you.
Dining hits a little bit different when the sun's up.
You want to stay cool, and that's why I think flexible setups work best. Completely modular so that you can move seating around if some people want to be a little closer to the shade or back in the sun or even back indoors if you need.
And lighter materials really make a difference.
They really do. Open silhouettes and lightweight materials don't trap heat, and spreading seating out is going to make sure that everyone stays comfortable and don't feel clustered together.
3 easy ways to help us stay comfortable all summer long.
And it's so easy to find versatile pieces at Wayfair that work across spaces, styles, and budgets. And when you do that, summer living really starts to feel effortless and fun.
You know what? You're fun, and we love having you here, Michelle. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more smart ideas on how to make the most of your home. Presented in part by Wayfair.ca. Every style, every home.